Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add Instagram Note feature on iPhone. A lot of people don't have it and it's missing, like it doesn't appear on their Instagram. When you open the Instagram, you don't see the living note. Now here is exactly how you can fix this problem. All you have to do, guys, is follow the steps in this video and you will be able to fix these problems. The first method, guys, I see a lot of people don't have a professional account. You want to just switch to professional account and see if that feature has been added to your account or not. Probably that's because you don't have a professional account. You want to click three lines in the top right and then click settings, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on account. Now at the very bottom it says here switch to professional account. You want to switch to professional account and see if that feature is working or not. If it doesn't work, you can then go back to personal account if that's the case. I'm just giving you what worked for me and see if it works for you. So the second method, guys, is to change the country on your app store. You want to go to your app store, and then click the profile in the top right, this profile, and then click this name in the top. Just log in, or it will ask you for your password. Now you want to click country and region and change it to United States, and then click again country and region and change it to United States. That's what I did. I live in Morocco, but I changed it to United States and now it works. So that's what you need, guys. You want to change to United States and then click agree in the top, again agree. And here you will have to click on none. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Here you can leave your name as it is. Here straight, you don't need to enter the correct information. Straight enter your street where you live right now, and then click straight. It's optional. You don't have to enter it. Just enter the street one. The second one, don't enter it. It's optional. City, you have to enter here Los Angeles. State, you have to enter California. Zip code, you have to go to Google and type there Los Angeles zip code, and they will give you the zip code of Los Angeles and type it there. Phone number, you can just come up with any phone number you want, and then that's how you can change the country. And then click next in the top, and it will change your country. So that's what you need to do, guys. That's what you need to do. Let me know in the comments if this works. If it doesn't, click in the video in the screen and you will be able to fix this problem. I have done a lot of videos about this topic and I have tried all these methods, so they work 100%.